Instagram recently introduced a new feature which is somewhat similar to stories but solely based on text. In this video, I'll guide you on how to access this feature if it's not visible on your Instagram. If you're experiencing difficulty finding it, here are a few steps to troubleshoot. Ensure your Instagram app is updated. The first thing you should do is go to your device's App Store or App Store for iOS or a Google Play Store for Android and make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Keeping it updated is crucial as new features may require the latest version. Switch account type. Open the Instagram app, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the three lines in the top right corner. Navigate to Settings, which is typically the top option. Scroll down and look for the Account section. If you're currently using a professional account, you may not have access to the new feature. You can switch back to a personal account by following the prompts. Report a problem to Instagram support. If switching your account type doesn't work, return to the Settings section, then scroll down and select Help, located just below Account. From there, click on Report a Problem and you'll be prompted to describe your issue. Explain that you cannot see the Instagram Notes feature and kindly request assistance in enabling it. Add a polite thanks at the end and send your message. After a few days, Instagram support should respond and hopefully they'll enable the Notes feature for your account. Please note that these steps worked for me, but there may be other methods that also yield results. It's a good idea to try all the suggested approaches to increase your chances of getting access to the Notes feature on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.